Welcome to Cooking with Bruce. Today we're going to be doing something very cool, Korean Jajanmyeon. It's a very popular noodle dish in Korea, and we're going to go through exactly how to make it, and we're going to add our own special flair, and I'll show you in just a second. We're going to start off with the ingredients for the Jajanmyeon. This is a two-part process. These are the Jajanmyeon ingredients. Number one, Korean black bean paste. You'll probably have to go to your Asian grocery store or maybe some Amazon purchase. We've got cabbage, squash, cup of homemade pork stock, an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, ginger, green onion, a little bit of sugar, and some potato starch. And now we're going to phase 2, the meat. Traditionally, the meat side of it's usually beef, pork, or chicken. The ingredients are pretty cool. We got 2.5 pounds of ground pork, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, 2 eggs, onion powder. This is some ginger squeeze. I like it's easy. Korean red pepper flakes, Gokujon, almond flour, and soy sauce. Let's get this meat party started. We're first going to get the pork into our bowl. Time to ooze some garlic. Garlic's finished, about 5 cloves. Add that to the meat party. We have 2 eggs. Half tablespoon of onion powder. A tablespoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of Gokujon, Korean red pepper paste. We have 2 teaspoons of Korean red pepper flakes, half cup or so of almond flour. Now for the fun part, mix it all up with your hands. So we have our meat, a little bit of water to get the hands lubed up, and a pan. Let's see how many balls we can make. Okay, so we're done with that. I need to wash my meat hands off and get these in an oven. I have 24 beautiful Korean-inspired meatballs I need to cook in the oven. We're gonna go for about 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees. And while those are cooking, we're gonna go make some sauce. We're gonna start with the sauce. Now, Korean food needs garlic. We're gonna appease those garlic gods. Garlic is done. Now we're going to slice up the rest of the aromatics. Next up, green onions. And I'm always growing green onions in a cup because you can always have onions that are ready to cook. Let's chop this all together. The aromatics are chopped and incorporated. Now we're going to start working the bigger stuff. To start off with our cabbage, we're not going to use all of this cabbage. We only need about maybe 1 pound to 3/4 of a pound of cabbage. We're going to take these outer leaves off, slice this in half. Use half the cabbage. Chop this up. We're going to put this in the bowl. Nice, large, yellow sweet onion. Take large chunks of this as well. Nothing technical here, about the same size as we did the cabbage. They're fairly large chunks here. Again, nice large chunks. Nothing too crazy. And now it's time for the wok. We have it about medium-high heat right now. Add a little oil. We're gonna start with the aromatics. Oh. These cook for about a minute or so on some medium-high heat. Just kind of bring out some of the flavors and the essential oils. Garlic, the ginger, the green onion. This is just screaming good stuff. Half cup of the black bean paste. Black bean paste, you need to fry it for a couple of minutes because you want to get there's a little bit of bitterness to it. And this will bring out a sweet, nutty flavor to it. We're frying this for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the vegetables. Add 2 cups of pork stock. Mix it around. Let this boil for about 5 minutes or so. Now we need to turn this into a nice, thick, black sauce that Jajanmyeon is known for. So what we need to do is thicken this up. And I forgot to put in the soy sauce, so we're gonna do this all at the same time. About 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Mix this up in cold water. Add a little bit of soy sauce because I forgot to add the soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Starts to thicken up almost immediately. Here we go. That's that black, thick sauce it is known for. Look at that. This smells fantastic. Look at these things. Korean style meatballs. Looking absolutely beautiful. Steaming plate of goodness. Mmm. 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 It's almost like barbecue sauce-ish. What I'm really curious about is the meatballs. Mmm. Mmm. Okay. Hmm. Oh, wow. Okay. I forgot to add, I put in 2 tablespoons of sugar at the end because I forgot to add that. Guys, if you start making this stuff at home, take a picture of it, show it to me. Post it, like, subscribe, click that bell. I appreciate the support. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bruce, guys. We'll see you at the next episode. Like and comment. And while you're at it, subscribe. Welcome to Cooking with Bruce. Today we're going to do something very cool. Korean Jajanmyeon.
Cut.